Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Economics Grade 10. What is economics? Economics is a social science that studies how individuals, businesses, governments, and other organizations within our society make choices about using scarce resources to satisfy their unlimited wants and needs. Since resources are limited, we must use them efficiently and avoid waste. Because it is impossible to satisfy all our wants and needs, we face trade-offs and must prioritize which needs to fulfill. For example, a country must decide how to allocate its budget between building hospitals, funding education, or improving infrastructure. These decisions involve careful consideration and balancing competing interests. Key concepts in economics. 1. Needs. Needs refer to the basic necessities required for survival, such as food, water, clothing, and shelter. These are essential for maintaining life and ensuring well-being. For instance, access to nutritious food is a fundamental need for healthy living, while clothing protects us from harsh weather conditions. 2. Wants. Wants are items or services that are not essential for survival, but enhance comfort and provide pleasure. Unlike needs, wants are shaped by personal preferences and societal influences. For example, owning a smartphone or a pair of branded sneakers might not be necessary for survival, but they can significantly improve one's lifestyle and social status. 3. Resources. Resources are the foundational inputs required to produce goods and services in an economy. These inputs are essential because they enable the creation of products and services that meet human needs and wants. Resources are limited, making it crucial to use them efficiently to avoid waste and ensure sustainable development. They are typically categorized into 4 types: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Each of these categories plays a distinct and vital role in the production process. A. Land. Land refers to all natural resources that are used in the production of goods and services. This includes elements like forests, minerals, water, and fertile soil. Land resources are crucial because they provide the raw materials necessary for economic activities. For example, farmland is essential for growing crops that feed populations, while forests provide timber for construction and paper production. Mineral deposits, such as coal or gold, are mined to create energy or manufacture products. Since natural resources are finite, their conservation and sustainable use are vital to ensuring they remain available for future generations. B. Labor. Labor encompasses the human effort, both physical and intellectual, involved in the production process. It is one of the most dynamic resources, as it includes the skills, knowledge, and expertise of workers. Examples of labor include teachers educating students, doctors providing healthcare, and factory workers assembling products. Labor quality can vary depending on education, training, and experience, which directly impacts productivity. For instance, a well-trained software engineer can develop innovative applications that improve efficiency in other industries. Investing in education and skill development enhances the value of the labor force, driving economic growth. C. Capital. Capital refers to man-made tools, machinery, and infrastructure used in the production process. Unlike land and labor, capital is not a natural resource, but is created through human effort. Examples include factories, vehicles, tools, and computers. For instance, a delivery company uses vehicles, capital, to transport goods efficiently, while a factory relies on machinery to manufacture products at scale. Capital is critical because it increases productivity and efficiency in production. Without sufficient capital, businesses may struggle to compete or innovate, underscoring the importance of investing in infrastructure and technology. D. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the ability to combine land, labor, and capital effectively to produce goods and services. Entrepreneurs identify opportunities, take risks, and innovate to create value. For example, the founders of a technology company might develop a groundbreaking product that addresses a specific consumer need, such as renewable energy solutions. Entrepreneurs are often seen as the driving force behind economic growth, as they generate employment, introduce new ideas, and create wealth. Successful entrepreneurship requires vision, creativity, and the ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Each of these resource categories is interdependent and plays a crucial role in economic systems. Understanding how to manage and utilize resources efficiently is key to fostering sustainable growth and meeting societal need. Economic elements. To understand how economies function and how resources are utilized, it is crucial for us to understand the four foundational economic elements of scarcity, choice, efficiency, and equitability. Each concept provides insight into the challenges and decision-making processes involved in resource allocation. 1. Scarcity. Scarcity is a fundamental economic problem that arises because human needs and wants are unlimited, while resources available to meet them are limited. This imbalance means that individuals, businesses, and governments must constantly prioritize their needs and wants. For instance, a family with a limited income might need to choose between spending money on food, paying for school fees, or saving for emergencies. Scarcity can be categorized into two types. A. Absolute scarcity. This occurs when resources are completely unavailable to meet prevailing needs and wants. For example, during a severe drought, there may be no water available for agriculture, drinking, or sanitation. B. Relative scarcity. This occurs when resources are available, but needed for multiple competing uses at the same time. For instance, a plot of land might be suitable for building houses, planting crops, or establishing a factory. Choosing one purpose means foregoing the others. Scarcity forces us to make tough decisions about how to use our resources effectively, making it the foundation of all economic activity. 2. Choice. Since resources are scarce, individuals and organizations must make choices about how to allocate them. Every choice comes with a trade-off, meaning that selecting one option often requires giving up another. This trade-off is referred to as opportunity cost, which is the value of the next best alternative foregone. For example, if a government decides to invest in building new schools, the opportunity cost might be the funds that could have been used to improve healthcare facilities. Similarly, if a student spends time studying mathematics, the opportunity cost might be the time they could have used to study history. Understanding opportunity cost helps decision-makers evaluate the relative benefits of different options and ensures that resources are allocated where they can create the most value. 3. Efficiency. Efficiency in economics refers to using resources in a way that maximizes output without wasting any inputs. When resources are used efficiently, it means that society gets the most benefit from them at the right time. For example, a factory that uses advanced technology to produce goods quickly with minimal waste demonstrates efficiency. A key concept in efficiency is Pareto efficiency, a situation where it is impossible to make one person better off without making someone else worse off. For instance, reallocating food from one household to another might increase satisfaction for the recipient, but reduce satisfaction for the giver. On the other hand, inefficiency occurs when resources are not used optimally, leading to waste or lower output. For example, leaving fertile farmland unused or underutilized while there is a food shortage reflects inefficiency. Efficient resource management is essential for maximizing productivity and meeting societal needs. 4. Equitability. Equitability, or fairness, ensures that resources are distributed justly and that everyone has access to the benefits of economic activity. This principle emphasizes the importance of avoiding exploitation and ensuring that current resource use does not deprive future generations of their benefits. For example, businesses should treat workers fairly by providing adequate wages and safe working conditions rather than focusing solely on profit. Similarly, governments play a critical role in promoting equity by implementing progressive tax systems, offering free social services, like education and healthcare, and providing social security grants to vulnerable populations. Environmental equity is another important aspect, as it ensures sustainable use of resources. For instance, regulating deforestation ensures that future generations can also benefit from forests. Equitability fosters social stability and long-term economic growth by reducing disparities in wealth and opportunities.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.